There's a post on Reddit, the UFO thread, about 3 hours ago from TCOM 2222 that says that there's a Tic Tac object that was spotted on Mars by the NASA Mars Curiosity rover Mastcam on Sol 2692 on the 3rd of March 2020. He goes on to provide quite a bit of information, the longitude and latitude on Mars, giving credit to someone named Azul, Azuul, for finding this information. And basically a lot of other kind of supporting images are seen within this post. And so you've got the kind of the full kind of panoramic, the kind of zoom in of the specific area that's in focus, and so on and so forth. And so when you zoom in on that area, this is what you see. And these images have been AI enhanced. This is zoomed, not enhanced. This is zoomed and AI upscaled. But here's the original image on the mars.nasa.gov raw images. And so if we open this, and the object we're looking for is right down here, if we zoom in on this, I mean, it's right there, plain as day. It's very cylindrical shape. You can see it's cast in a shadow on the ground. The sun in this direction. You can see that these shadows, this here is cast in this shadow. This is cast in this shadow. Like the shadows are matching up with this object. And so what I did is I zoomed way in, and you can see the pixel grid on the image when you do so. And so I counted the length and the possible height or potential width of the object to be about 15 pixels this way and 9 pixels vertical. And so jumped over to Chat GPT, and I said, hey, take some information such as, the information we know about the right mast cam, which if you look here on this post from NASA, I just zoom back out a little bit and close out of this. If you see here on this post, you'll see that it was taken by mast camera on this date, and you can actually see the instrument here was mast cam. So we come over here and we say, well, we looked up the specs for mast cam. It has 100 millimeter focal length, 5.1% field of view, 7.4 centimeters per pixel, scale at 1 kilometer, the image resolution of the picture. And I originally was trying to do the same. I'm looking at this on a Samsung Galaxy S24, but then I realized that I could zoom in and see the pixel grid. So then I changed my approach, and I instead said, I could zoom and see the pixel grid of the image, and the count of the object is 15 by 9 pixels. What would the size be at 1 kilometer away? So ChatGPT took that detail, did the conversion, and it basically estimates that it's about 1.1 meters in width and 0.67 meters in height, which is approximately 4 feet in width and approximately 2 feet in height. And so I don't know if maybe it's a UAP drone or something else. I don't know what else would be cylindrical, kind of naturally occurring, where it would give the appearance that it's casting even a cylindrical shadow that would be 4 feet long and 2 feet wide, or circumference. I don't know. It's late. So 4 feet by 2 feet. I don't know what would naturally occur. None of the other rocks and things around the area have a cylindrical shape. So, if this was wind or erosion or whatever, I would expect there to be other similar shaped rock topography in the area, and there's not. There's everything is pretty jagged, rough. This again appears, especially based on the shadow that it's casting, appears to be very oval, Tic Tac in shape and cylindrical. So thanks again to TCOM2222 on Reddit for bringing this to everybody's attention. And I'm just making this video and putting it on my channel in hopes that it will spread the word, and people will be talking about this, and maybe it drives the conversation forward. If you check the description for this video, there's a link to the subreddit if you want to jump in on the conversation. Thanks for watching.